In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and install Metatrader 5 on Mac. We'll walk through the process step by step, so even if you're completely new to this, you'll be able to follow along and get Metatrader 5 up and running on your computer. First, open your preferred web browser on your Mac. In the search bar at the top, type how to download and install Metatrader 5 on Mac, and press enter. This will bring up a list of search results related to the Metatrader 5 installation for Mac OS. Among the results, look for the official Metatrader 5 website. It should clearly mention Metatrader 5 and indicate that it's the help or installation page for Mac. Click that link to open the official page. Using the official site is important to make sure you're getting the correct, up-to-date installer and not downloading anything unsafe from third-party websites. Once the page loads, you'll see detailed instructions provided by Metatrader for installing Metatrader 5 on Mac OS. Take a moment to carefully read through these instructions from top to bottom. They typically explain compatibility details, any additional software you might need, and exactly how the installation will work on your version of Mac OS. As you read, pay attention to any notes about system requirements or security settings. If your Mac has strict security preferences, you may need to allow apps from identified developers in your system settings later on. Knowing this beforehand can save you some confusion during the installation. After you've read the instructions and you're comfortable with the process, scroll until you find the download button or link for Metatrader 5 for Mac. Click the download option and your browser will begin downloading the installation file. Wait for the file to finish downloading before moving on. Next, open your downloads folder and locate the Metatrader 5 installation file. Double-click the file to start the installer. From here, simply follow the on-screen prompts that appear. These prompts will guide you through each step, such as agreeing to the license agreement, choosing the installation location, and confirming that you want to proceed. If macOS shows a security message asking whether you're sure you want to open the application, review the details, and then click the option to allow or open it, as long as it matches the official file you just downloaded. Continue following the on-screen instructions until the installation completes. Once it's done, you should see Metatrader 5 in your applications folder. You can now open it from there, or add it to your dock for easier access.